Alright guys, so we're looking at the first build. It's a $750 PC build using the new Ryzen 3 3300X that can also be overclocked up to 4.3 gigahertz. The price point for it is $120. AMD did confirm that, plus Amazon did too when they had the pre-order. So, yeah guys. So this is a parts list, and in my personal preference, I think this is a good preference. If you want to go cheaper, I think you can, like, I don't know, go for a different graphics card, which is a $700 build we're doing. Or if you want to go for an RTX 2060, that'll only raise it up to like 60 more dollars, which about $820 build. But we're kind of doing this one as like a budget. I'm still working on doing a $600 PC build, kind of thing. So yeah, guys. So this is the parts list. The 1660 Super, I think, is actually a pretty good graphics card for 1080p killing, and because I know a lot of people who have played on it, and I've played on it before, and I think they are pretty good, solid graphics cards. Definitely better than a GTX 1050 and a 1060. So keep that in mind. For our next build is using the Ryzen 3 33 or 3100 quad core processor. It's pretty much the same components except for the graphics card, which you could possibly go for an RX 590, but I never used an RX 590 before. I only used an RX 580. So in personal preference, I think this would be good for 1080p killing. So yeah. The RX 580, I think, will be good for Warzone and Call of Duty. Definitely Call of Duty multiplayer because it doesn't have as much players, so it doesn't have to like register as much entities. So, yeah, guys. So both build links will be in the description down below. Most parts are on Amazon. They might be cheaper on Amazon. I just know Newegg is actually overpriced right now because I was looking at the Ryzen 3 3300X and it's supposed to be $120, but when I went to Newegg, it was over $200. So I recommend, if you're gonna get some parts, kind of compare from Amazon and Newegg to see which one's the cheaper route. But yeah, guys. So that's all going to be it for today. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in to Tech Thursday. So, yeah, guys. See you guys later.